they have to know how to switch the computer. So they have to know how to use the computer. So there are certain things they have to learn. See, after few decades, the computer abilities to deal the human communication. For human communication, the computer came into existence, which was very easy for people to do all over the world. And also, it reflected, it reflected that a human computer is reflected so many of the preferences consisting of one style or a combination of the styles. That means, see, so I will explain this step after showing the some pics. So this is the typewriter. One second. So this is the typewriter. So how the typewriter is look like? So for the communication, they use the typewriter for the some modern times. After that, in 1990s, of course, in 1960s, 50s only we have the computer. But in 1990s, the computer, the structure of the computer, see like this. It is with large CPU and monitor. See the monitor way of looking. So as people are using the computers more and more, so the designing of the product is came very smooth. See, in 1980s, the computer looked like this. So at that time we use the floppy disk. Floppy disk for the, so how we are using the pen drive nowadays, they use the floppy disk to insert the data. And this is a 1960s computer. See how large the computer. As the decades are moving on, according to the user requirements, the system has came into more and more customization according to the user's requirement. And next. So this is the third point where I have explained in. And what are the characteristics of the? So next topic is what are the characteristics of a graphical interface. So I said GUI previously. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. So what is a graphical user interface? Why we are using the graphical user interface? See, in this diagram, if the icons are placed in this graphics type, so we can easily interact with them. So if there is no graphics, so how you can use? You have to use with the commands. So that is the graphical user interface. So graphical user interface is one type of interface. What is the interface? I said in the previous session, interface is nothing but the system has to face the human and the human has to face the system. So through which user interact with the electronic devices. See, these are the icons, these are the graphical user interface icons. So we can say these are the icons. So through these icons we are interacting with the system. See here, this is the icon, this is the graphical user interface. And when I touch, so I am getting the options what to use and what not to use. So according to my requirements I can go through that. So that's why, so it interacts, the user, this is a graphical user interface, is not, is a interacts with the electronic devices such as computers, handheld devices and other appliances. So whatever, maybe tab or phone, whatever you are using. Okay, so these interfaces may be icons. So these are the icons. Menu means you will get the menu. So menu bar, so which is a list of some options like file, open, edit, like that. That is a menu. And other visual indicators. So visual indicators is nothing but graphics like this, and also representation to display. So they are going to the display. And next thing. So when this graphical user interface is came into existence, graphical user interface is came into existence in the late 1970s by a scientist Xerox Palo Alto. So this graphical user interface GUI is designed by Xerox. His name is itself Xerox. Palo Alto, in a research laboratory, he created this graphical user interface, which are now we commonly using in our every system. So those systems may be Windows, Mac for the Apple systems, and many software applications. So in your smart mobile, you are using the so many icons over there. So for every application you have the some icons. So those icons are the graphical user interface. So 1 second. And nextly, so why we are using the graphical user interface? What is the importance of graphical user interface? So if you are using the specifically designed and labeled images, pictures, so by using all these color combinations, it will attract the users to use more and more. So that is the user of graphical user interface. So one example for the graphical interface. See, so this is a graphical interface. So you can see so many of the icons over here. So through this icon, you can go if you want to play on the music. So you will click on this icon, player icon. If you want to open some PDF, you will go for this icon like that. Whereas in previous, we use the command line. So these are the GUI versus this is the GUI. This is the command line. That means whatever you want to open, you have to give the command. So like, so if I want to open a file means DAR, that file name. If I want to make a file means MK file name. Like that I have to give the commands for each and everything. So that's why this graphical user interface plays an important role for the designing of the product. So what are the properties of an object? So graphical user interface, these are the objects we say. Icons or objects, both. Icons or objects. Object means it is an entity. So see, by seeing, we are touching. So these are the icons. So I can touch it. So I can feel it. Okay. So these have been seen, touched, and otherwise perceived. So whatever the giving information to them, they are receiving that. That is the perceived. That is the meaning of the perceived. And objects are always visible to the user and are used to perform the task. So these are the, I am able to see this. See here I can able to see. So I can, when I touch it, so I can perform the action on that. So the summary for this session is, the summary for this session is first one. So importance of good design, so what are the benefits of good design? And nextly, history of the human-computer interaction, history of HCI. We can also say interaction or interface. Both are interchangeable words. And next, thirdly, graphical user interface and characteristics. And properties. So these are the things we have discussed in this session. Thank you.